Here's how you grade assignments using the speed grader with a rubric. In the speed grader, click View Rubric and then adjust the frame so that you can see both the document and the rubric. Then click the appropriate ratings. In this document, the thesis statement is clear and the organization is effective. The support isn't very good though. Instead of clicking any one of these, I can explicitly enter the number of points I want. This is worth 1.5 points, and I can leave a comment. Needs more detail here. The conclusion is lacking. There are some errors in grammar, but there are 2 or more citations, and the work cited looks pretty good. Save the evaluation, and presto, it's graded. What does the student see? When the student goes from the assignment page, they can view the rubric evaluation. If they access the assignment via grades, there's a link to Show Rubric. Neither of these links is particularly prominent, so you have to tell your students about where to find them. When the student shows the rubric, they get to see all of your evaluations and all of your comments. Notice that the ratings are highlighted, green for full points, red for less than full points. All of them are highlighted, that is, except for the one where they got 1.5 out of 3 points. To solve that problem, we need to edit the rubric. And Canvas warns us that we've already rated some of the students so that any changes could affect the results. When we edit the rubric, we're going to turn on the range checkbox. Instead of 3, 2, and 1 points, we now say that anything above 2 up to 3 points will be good, anything from 1 up to 2 is fair, and from 0 to 1 is poor. We'll do this for all of the criteria, except for citations. That's all or nothing. Either you have 2 or more citations, or you don't. We'll update the rubric, and then go back and reassess the student. View the rubric, resize the frame. Now our 1.5 points is between 1 and 2, and again we explicitly enter 1.5 and save. Now let's see how it looks to the student. When the student views the rubric evaluation now, all of the criteria now have highlighting. Moral of the story? It's a good idea to set up your rubric with ranges so the students will always see highlighting, and it gives you more flexibility. The only time you shouldn't use them is for cases where you have all or nothing. And that's how you use a rubric to grade assignments.